Hi, this is Godwin, founder of MuFreight. MuFreight is a container sharing service helping customers buy and ship things from Japan to the New York City metro area, especially heavy, bulky things that are too expensive to ship by air. This video today is going to be geared towards our auto enthusiast customer, okay? And the first thing that you'll need is Google Chrome for its translation functions. So we're in Google Chrome now, and we're going to go to auctions.yahoo.co.jp. This is the Japanese equivalent of eBay. The next thing that you need to know is the chassis code for your car. We all know the famous chassis code R34 for the Nissan Skyline. I'm the owner of a 2005 Subaru Legacy wagon. So I know my chassis code is BP5. So BP5, I input that search term, and now we see a bunch of results for the BP5. And if you'd like, you could just slowly go through everything. But say you are interested in looking for mufflers. So we're going to go to translate.google.com and look for the translation for muffler. All right, now I'm going to copy these characters over and paste it into the search box. I separate BP5 and these Japanese terms with a space, okay? And so now we see a bunch of mufflers for the BP5 chassis. Now something you might need to be aware of is the English to Japanese translations might not always be perfect. There might be some nuances. So I'm going to show you an example. We're going to search for BP5 again, and this time we're going to look for coilovers. All right. So I'm looking at this result, and instead of translating it a term that I want directly in Google Translate, what I'm going to do is copy the title of that listing, and I'm going to translate it from Japanese to English. Okay, so we see this result: Legacy BP5 BL5 Blitz Damper ZZR Car Harmonic Set. From experience, I know this word harmonic has to do with coilovers. And if you think about it, it makes sense, because there must be a harmony between struts and springs in order to make a good coilover. And so what I want to do now is I want to isolate this term, harmonic. And so what I'm going to do is delete these terms that I know are not it until I begin to narrow it down. Okay. Now I'm going to start deleting from the end until I just have harmonic. Now sometimes, all right, here we see coilover set. Coilover set. Now sometimes you might have to keep on deleting characters. I suggest you copy this and then delete it again. Okay, so something interesting happened here. When we translated this entire title, coilover did not appear anywhere in the translation. But as we deleted more and more terms, see harmonic set, and then as we deleted more terms, coilover emerges all of a sudden. So it requires you to play around with the search terms a little bit, all right? So we go back to Yahoo Auctions, BP5 space, what we just figured out, coilover. Now we see a bunch of results, just coilovers for BP5. A nice set of O-leans here. So before I let you go, I want to show you another website, which is Kroober, CROOOBER.com. So Kroober is telling me there's an English version of this website, which I'm going to take advantage of. EN over here, English. And this is a website that just specializes in car parts. And so I'm going to look for 18-inch 5 by 100 bolt pattern wheels. These I know are going to fit my wagon. All right, and so we have a bunch of results here. What I do next is select a set of wheels that I want to buy, copy this URL, and go to mufreight.co and fill out this purchasing form and to include this URL. Once we receive your purchase form, we will send you an invoice, answer any questions that you might have, and then purchase or bid on these items for you. Okay? Again, this is Godwin. I am the founder of Mufreight. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us. We're here to help. Thank you very much.